Welcome to RP Guru Tech Talk, the ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, join the community of tech enthusiasts and start learning today with us. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a thumbnail using Canva. I have a free account in Canva, so I go to create design and search for YouTube thumbnail, and it opens a blank canvas for me. So once I'm there, I'm going to pick any template which is there. Not all templates can be used. Some templates have subscription based requirement. So this one I'm using now is not required to be paid subscriber. So I just picked this as a background and removed all the content except the background of morning sunlight. So now what I do is I have some designs which I had done before just for demo purposes. I'm going to use that. So what I'm going to do is I'm opening that design which I had, and I'm copying this my company's kind of a logo into this new thumbnail I'm creating. And I'm also going to copy my picture. Either I can copy my picture, I can also upload it into the upload folder, and I can pick a different picture. So I'm going to pick a different picture here and add it to this particular thumbnail I'm creating. And I put it. I can put it where I want, but for now, for this thumbnail, I'm going to put my picture on the right bottom side, which is seems to be appropriate for this thumbnail. Now, next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go pick up the designs I had previously done. I'm going to make a copy of that, and through a snipping tool, the Windows snipping tool, and save a JPEG file of that, so that I can upload it into my Canva account, and then try to pull it into this thumbnail. So I just save it as a JPEG file. I have a folder where I'm going to put it. So I have created two files, TN1 and TN2. So now I come back to my the design screen where I'm creating my thumbnail. I'm just going to upload. Before that, I'm going to upload all these two samples I had created, designs, which actually reflect the thumbnail, basically my thumbnails. So I'm going to show that I can create these kind of thumbnails using Canva. So I go back to my design, and after the pictures I had uploaded, I'm going to pull those pictures in, and so those two pictures are there. So now I'm going to drag each of these pictures onto my screen here, and make it small enough to be visible, but at least it kind of reflects what kind of thumbnails can be created in Canva. So I'm going to pull the two pictures I had into this section, and then I'm going to pull the two pictures into this section, and make it small enough to be visible, but not take the whole screen. So once I do that, the next step is making sure the other picture too is taken. And next, I'm going to put the text. I have some text already created previously, so I'm going to use that. But you can always create a different text material you want. And I'm also adding an arrow. I'm going to say up arrow, because I want to show that the information I'm giving on this thumbnail is pointing to the two samples I've created up there. So I made it white and small enough to reflect both those thumbnails, and now it's time to add the text for this. So I'm going to I have a sample here. I'm going to copy that and paste it here. You could create your own written samples, and depending on the fonts you want. So I move it around and make sure that it can fit in well and looks good on the thumbnail. So I made the arrow smaller so that I can put the description right under that. So let me modify around, and you can move these things around to make sure it matches um, the space you have and what you want to write there. So I'm going to write the details of this thumbnail. I'm going to say create YouTube video thumbnails using Canva, and then my thumbnail is ready. So hope this information helps you to create your own free thumbnails using Canva, using a free account on Canva. We will catch up again in the next video. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.